Hello students. So today we are going to solve practice set 13 standard 6th. The first question is write the reciprocal. Reciprocal means you have to write the number in rewrite the number in a reverse form. Reverse form means that 7 is a single number. Nothing is present between 7. If nothing is present means that there is a 1. Nothing is present means 1 is always present below the number. So it will be as 1 upon 7. So this is the reciprocal form of 7. Now the second is 11 upon 13. So the reciprocal form of 11 upon 13 will be 11 upon 3 will be 3 upon 11. You have to write the number in a reverse form. Next is 5 upon 13. So the reciprocal form will be 13 upon 5. And the reciprocal form of the 2 will be nothing is present means obviously there is a presence of 1. So the reciprocal form of 2 will be 1 upon 2. And the last one is that is 6 upon 7. So the reciprocal form of 6 upon 7 will be 7 upon 6. So like this way we have completed our first question. Now the second question is carry out the division. Now we have seen in the practice set 12 that how to carry the multiplication, and before that we have already seen the addition and subtraction. Today we are going to learn about how to carry out the division on a fraction. So just this is the most simplest question. You just need to write this number as a 2 upon 3 as it is. This division you can write as a multiplication. If you are writing this division as a multiplication, that time you need to take the second number in the form of reciprocal. We have to take the second number as a reciprocal. So we will write 1 upon 4 as 4 upon 1 because we are solving the division. This is the way of solving division. Now you know how to perform multiplication. You will do 2 into 4 and 3 into 1. So 2 into 4 will be 8 and 3 into 1 will be 3. So this is our answer of division, that is 8 upon 3. Now let's start with the second number, that is 5 upon 9 divided by 3 upon 2. Now you know that the first number we will write as it is, that is 5 upon 9. Division will be converted into the multiplication and second number will be taken in the form of a reciprocal. Now 5 upon 9 as it is into 5 will multiply numerator with the numerator, denominator with the denominator. So 5 into 2 is 10 and 9 into 3 is 27. So this is the answer of second question, that is 10 upon 27. Now the third one is 3 upon 7 divided by 5 upon 11. So you will just write first number as it is. Division will be converted into the multiplication and the second number will be converted into the reciprocal form, that is 11 upon 5. Now just multiply 3 numerator with the numerator and the denominator with the denominator. So 3 into 11 is 33 and 7 into 5 is 35. Now the next question is 11 upon 12. Now division will be converted into the multiplication and 4 upon 7 will be into reciprocal form, that is 7 upon 4. Now you know very well the method of solving, numerator with the numerator, denominator with the denominator. So 11 into 7 is 77 and 12 into 4 is 48. So the answer is 77 divided by 48. Like this way we have solved our second question. Let's start with our third question, that is there were 420 students participated in the Swachh Bharat campaign. They cleaned 42 upon 75 part of the town, Sevagram. The name of the town is Sevagram. What part of a Sevagram did each student clean if the work was equally shared by all? Now how many students are working for that? The number of students are 420 students participated. 420 students cleaned 42 upon 75 part of the town. Together they cleaned 42 upon 75 part. We needed to find that each student cleaned how much part of the town. So let's start with the solution. That first we will write the how many students are there. So the 42 are the students. 42 students are the student participated in campaign. 420 students participated in the campaign. How much part they clean? So they clean 42 upon 75 part cleaned. Now together 42 clean 42 upon 75 part, 420 clean 42 upon 75 part. We needed to find that how much cleaned by the each single students, means out of 42 how much is cleaned by the single students. So we will just divide this number by this. So you know the method of division. 42 upon 75 divided by 420. Now the rule of division, first number we will write as it is. Now division sign will be converted into the multiplication. Now nothing is present between 420. If nothing is present means definitely 1 is there. So we will write this number as 420. Now you know the rules of multiplication. 42 into 1 divided by 75 into 420. Now 42 into 1 and 75 into, we can write 42 as a 10 into 420 as a 10 into 40. Sorry, this is 42 students. Okay, how we can write this? Look at, if you multiply 10 into 42, if you will multiply this two number, you will get the answer 420. So we can write 420 as a 10 into 42, right? Because we are getting the same answer by their multiplication. Now numerator and the denominator is same, so we can cancel numerator and denominator. Now what is remaining? The 1 is remaining above in the numerator and the denominator is remaining 75 into 10. So it will be 1 upon 750. So each single student clean 1 upon 750 part of town. Like this way we have completed our question number 3rd and also our practice set 30.